Hey, what's up, YouTube family? Today I'm doing a Mohawk on my son with a little design on the side that he asked me for. Little design I did on him about like 2-3 years ago. Shit, maybe 4 years ago. And he looked at it on my Instagram page and he was like, ooh, I want that one again. So I went ahead and did it for him. So right now I'm doing a number 4 on top. And then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna start off the Mohawk. Let's check it out, y'all. Alright, so we're gonna start the fade from the temple all the way towards the back in the shape of a mohawk. You don't want it to be real skinny back there, so we're gonna keep it kind of thick. When doing this style cut right here, you can ask the client if they want you to triangle it out in the back or if they want you to round it out, because some people like to round it in the back and some people like to make it a triangle. But some people like it thick and some people like it thin, so you gotta make sure you talk to your customer whenever you're doing this haircut before you get started. Grab your number 1 guard, go up about 1 inch, and start to open that lever up about halfway. And then once you open it all the way open, fade it all the way out as much as you can before you come back with your 1.5 guard. Halfway open. All the way open. Alright, so right here I'm gonna take that 1.5 guard and I'm gonna open the lever all the way open. I'm gonna fade it out, then I'm gonna close it up and touch up any little dark areas that I see.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Now I'm basically just coming back to the bottom and opening my lever all the way open, tapping that bottom line and closing it all the way until it's closed, till that bottom line is gone. Now I'm gonna hit my son with that fresh edge up. Just make sure when you're doing your edge ups on anybody, make sure you don't pass that corner of that eyebrow, and then you'll be pushing them back too far. People get mad behind them pushbacks. You don't want to do that. Alright, so after completing all your steps, if you see any dark areas, come back, hit it with the lever open. If you need to, put your half guard on there, tap away, just make sure it looks blurry. Same thing goes for this side, only difference is I'm taking my lever and I'm opening it as I'm going. That way I can just come back with that one and take that line out. So I don't have to come back to the bottom and tap that bottom line. So basically I'm just trying to skip that step and jumping around.
Hey, alright, going somewhere? Yeah, I'm gonna go over
Same thing with the number 1, y'all. Just grab it, fade it up, open it up a little bit more, fade it some more, open it all the way open, fade it all the way out, and then grab your 1.5 guard. Do the same process. One and a half.
Alright, I do see there's an older guy in there right now. He's finished up his haircut. He's giving the lady a hard time. Like, you see him, he's down here in the mirror, and he's kind of showing like the back of his neckline. And it's not looking too deep, but I still got confidence. Again, we'll go for everything. Simple, shake down a little bit, high skin leg. And, you know, when you get the haircut, the service is progressing and getting better.
Okay, so after doing all those steps, I did end up having to come back to the bottom, which I was trying to avoid doing, but it's all good. I'm gonna just use my corners with no guard, fade it out, then I'll put that half guard on there, take the rest out. So it's gonna work out anyway, because I'm gonna put that design on this side, so it's gonna make it look good. It's gonna make it pop for sure. Gotta make sure the edge up looks on point in the front. Don't want that boy walking around sitting sideways. Shout out to those of you that have been keeping up with my YouTube channel, that have been liking, subscribing, sharing my videos, you know, supporting. I appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you hit that like button, turn it blue, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. I got more videos coming soon. My son liked his haircut. I hope y'all liked it. I appreciate y'all stopping by. And also, I did add some more to the design at the very end. On one side, I put a little hook at the end, and then on the front part, I put like a little slash just to give it some pop, make it look a little different than the other one, because it looked kind of simple. So I hope y'all like it though, man. If you didn't like it, oh well. I liked it. My son liked it. Everybody at the barbershop liked it. The people at his baseball game liked it. So it's all good. People gonna like, people gonna hate. It is what it is. At the end of the day, the cut still look fire. It's all good.
Nice. You see the design? Oh yeah.